everyone. iOS 18.3 has just officially came out, so let's go and take a look at it on the iPhone XR and see if it's worth installing. Now, this update was actually a pretty big sized update. I did install the RC version last week, and I wasn't able to, take a screenshot of that particular update, but it was about 6 point something gigabytes when I officially installed it last week. There's been, I think, 1 or 2 improvements since then. But one thing to keep in mind is that a lot of the new improvements that Apple threw in inside of this update was specifically for Apple Intelligence. So it looks like Apple has gone through and basically, added a lot more Apple Intelligence features and visual intelligence. However, keep in mind the iPhone XR does not have those, so there's not even really a big reason to even hit on those right now. Now, if we take a look at one of the bigger improvements, it's actually within the calculator application. So there was a feature Apple added back then where if you continually hit the equal button, it would increment. They went through and removed it, but now they've added it back in, which is actually something that's really cool. So you can go through and you can now just have it increment over and over and over again if you just keep clicking equal. So that is something that's really cool. I'm really happy to kind of see that feature kind of come back up, and that in and of itself is a really awesome thing. Now on top of that, there are some new wallpapers added as well. So for Black History Month, Apple has added the Black Unity wallpapers. So this is something that's really cool. So if you go into your wallpaper section here, click on add new wallpaper, you'll be able to see these new sections which basically show you these new wallpapers under the Unity section. So that's something that's really, really cool. They have little lines through them, and it's actually a really cool thing. So if you wanted to add those, you can do that within your new wallpaper section here. There were also some other new improvements here as well. So there was a little issue where if you were typing to Siri, if you invoked Siri and you started typing to it, I guess randomly that would cause some issues. But now Apple has gone through, the keyboard would cause some issues. Now Apple has gone through and fixed that. And there was another issue where if you were playing music through Apple Music and it got to the end of the song, I guess randomly it wouldn't even play another song or anything like that unless you closed out of it. But now that has been fixed here too. So overall, I would definitely recommend installing this update. There's lots of cool improvements here, and I'm really happy Apple went through and added these improvements. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.